Welcome to the video, where we delve into a common problem faced when working with data manipulation. In this scenario, we have a dataset with nested lists that need to be rearranged to ensure the correct association between elements. The challenge lies in maintaining this association while restructuring the data to meet the desired outcome. Now, let's explore the solution that addresses the problem at hand. By utilizing pollers, we can implement a series of operations to transform the nested lists in a way that preserves the relationships between elements. The key lies in carefully exploding the lists, adding index columns, and then aggregating the elements back to achieve the expected result. This approach ensures that the data restructuring is done efficiently and effectively, all within the pollers framework. Continuing with the solution, the provided code snippet showcases a step-by-step process to handle the nested lists and reorganize them according to the specified requirements. By leveraging functions like explode, with underscore columns, and ag, we can manipulate the data structure to accurately group and aggregate the elements. This systematic approach allows us to achieve the desired outcome without the need for external processing, staying within the pollers environment for seamless data transformation. In summary, we've successfully addressed the initial problem of restructuring nested lists within a dataset using pollers. By following a carefully crafted process of exploding, indexing, and aggregating the elements, we've managed to rearrange the data while preserving the associations between elements. This solution showcases the power and versatility of pollers in handling complex data manipulation tasks efficiently. I hope you found this video insightful and informative. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching.